Hi everyone, Natasha here. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are working on nurturing wellness naturally by taking small steps each day to live a healthier life. One of the things I like to do to help me live a healthier life is to use toxin-free products on my body, in my skincare, around our home, and I love doing that with the Jordan Essentials products. So today I'm up here in my office and I have the October Joyful Jordan box to share with you. So stay tuned to find out a little more about this, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. So the Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials. I am a Jordan Essentials consultant, so I will have my special shopping link in the description box down below. I always appreciate when you support my business by making your product purchases through my special link, so thanks for that. And I love sharing these Joyful Jordan boxes with you because it's such a fun little chance to try some unique products from Jordan Essentials. Everything is made in Missouri. It is hand-selected, special ingredients mixed in fresh batches, and Nancy, the owner, really prides herself on doing the research and making sure everything is as healthy as possible for our skin. We use a lot of botanically based ingredients, organic whenever possible, so it's really some good products. And this monthly surprise box called the Joyful Jordan box, you can actually subscribe and get it shipped out automatically each month, and that will save you shipping. You get free shipping as a subscriber, or you can just buy the box anytime, and it's always going to be a little box of awesomeness. And as we start thinking about getting into the holiday season, I love the Joyful Jordan box because it's a great way to keep a little stash on hand of some really awesome products. These are going to be clutter-free gifting items, and I just sort of keep my little gift basket stashed and ready to go. So if there's anything in the Joyful Jordan box that I don't think I'll use, then I just tuck it in that gift basket. And as I'm gathering up little gifts for hostesses, like if we're going to a party, or for the teachers as we're getting close to the holiday season and the teacher party or the classroom party and we need a teacher gift, then I have my little stash of gifts ready to go. So each box is going to come with at least $40 in products, and it's going to be $30 to buy the box. So you're already getting a savings and a value on the products. Plus, there are going to be some unique and exclusive items in there. Sometimes there might be something from the regular catalog, but not necessarily every box comes with something like that. There's always at least one, if not all, the products that are exclusive where you can only get them through the Joyful Jordan box. And sorry about the kind of funny lighting. It's getting to be late in the day, but I wanted to be able to share this with you before it gets too dark. So each box is going to come with a little card. So this one says, "Life's too short to wear a mask. Be unapologetically you." And what's great is if you're gifting this box, then the back of the card is going to tell the recipient how to use the products and what they're all about. So that's really cool because you don't have to be there to educate them or explain it. They can just open the box and start using the products. So let's take a look at the first item here, which is our coffee scrub. So this is kind of our annual pumpkin and coffee box. This has kind of become a thing the last several years. In October, our specials and our box is all, the Joyful Jordan box is all focused around pumpkin and coffee and things like that. So this is an exclusive. You cannot get this in our regular catalog. This is our coffee scrub, which is a body polish, and it has coffee and jojoba beads. And the card says, "Buff away dry skin and enjoy a fall glow. Apply to wet skin, massaging in circular motions and focusing on rough areas like elbows and knees. Rinse thoroughly and use 2 to 3 times a week for smooth, radiant skin. And it also says why you'll love it. It exfoliates, hydrates, and treats you to a festive spa-like experience with every use. And I love having things like this, especially this time of year when it's kind of hard to get up. This is going to be just a delicious, it's really good. You can actually see a little bit of it leaked out there because I was squeezing too hard, but it's a nice creamy formula, and it's just going to have those little bit of coffee beads in it, or coffee bits in it, and then you can scrub with that. Whoops, let me close it up before I make a mess here. I'm going to use one of these peanuts to wipe my hands off. These are our biodegradable packing peanuts, so they'll work great for that. And then what I like about having those scrubs around is, if you're like me, the summer months, I'm wearing sandals a lot, and so my heels and my feet get dried out. So having these scrubs are great for sloughing off the dry, dead skin on my heels, even my elbows and knees, just because I've been outdoors more and, getting a little more sun and fresh air and all of that. And it just feels so good to kind of get a deep scrub and exfoliate, and then to put some of our great Jordan Essential shea butter on afterward, and really kind of get everything moisturized and feeling fresh and clean after that. Okay, the next item is our pumpkin clay mask, and this is new and exclusive to the box. So this is going to be our bentonite clay base, but then it has pumpkin seed extract in it as well. So you can see this is a really thick, creamy mask with that clay base. So you're just going to apply that and let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. I like to do this maybe first thing in the morning or at the end of the night when I'm getting ready to hop in the shower. Then I'll put my mask on first and let it sit and do its thing, and then I just hop in the shower and wipe it all off and wash it all off in the shower process. So it says the pumpkin clay mask, it says detox and brighten your complexion with the power of pumpkin. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Use 1 to 2 times a week to reveal refreshed and balanced skin. And it says why you'll love it. Detoxifies, soothes, and brightens with rich vitamins and clay. And if you just Google the benefits of the pumpkin seed extract, and it's just a very light, it's a lovely aroma. It's just a very light aroma, so it's not real strong. You can just use that and enjoy it and not have to worry about too much of the, it's not an overpowering scent. It's just kind of fresh and clean. But Google the benefits of pumpkin seed extract. It's really great for our skin. So that's a nice, unique one. Again, exclusive to the box. You cannot get this in our regular catalog. So great chance to try another fun, unique product. Or again, gift it if you wanted to, if you don't think you'll use it. And then our vanilla lip balm. This is a third exclusive item. So this whole box is filled with exclusive items. And it says, protect and nourish your lips with a touch of vanilla. Apply whenever needed and for long-lasting hydration and defense against dry fall air. Why you'll love it, keeps lips soft and smooth while adding a cozy vanilla scent, perfect for fall. And I love these giant lip tubes. So if you've ever seen, we have the mint lip tube is always kind of my go-to. I'm grabbing it out of my desk drawer. So this is like your normal size lip balm, and then these giant ones are amazing because they last forever. They're great to throw in the kids' backpack or keep one in the car or at your desk. They're just really nice to have around. And this vanilla scent, again, very light, but just a nice, sweet kind of vanilla, warm, pleasant aroma. And that's going to be great to use on our lips in the fall months here as we sort of get into that dry winter air season where everything's needing a little extra moisture. So that is everything that came in the October Joyful Jordan box. These are going to be available October 1st through the 30th. Try it again. October 1st through the 31st, 2024. So if you'd like to get one, be sure to click that link down below. If you have any questions or you're curious about the products or something specific, definitely drop me a comment and I'll get back to you and let you know everything that I can about the products or find out the answer if I don't know. And other than that, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. I love to share little things like this, just different ways that we can make our lives a little healthier each day. And toxin-free, clutter-free gifting is definitely an easy one. Plus, I love that this kind of takes the guesswork and the decision-making process out of some of my gifts because I have a few things stashed away from a Joyful Jordan box here and there, and it becomes a great little collection of clutter-free gifts that I can easily grab from, and I'm off and ready to go. So thanks again for joining me. Have a good one, and I will see you next time. Bye.